Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essential. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to open up a web browser and then go to this website called Bungie.net. Wait for this to load. Now click on Destiny 2. And then click on your profile picture first, and then go to settings. So once you're in your identity settings, you'll see this option called a Bungie name. Now delete this first, that's your old username, and then type in your new username. It's Ace. So once you click on save settings, your username will be changed. Keep in mind that you can only change your Bungie name once. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!